Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 25 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. The question goes like this. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 5x square minus 16x minus 10. Find the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. The given polynomial is 5x square minus 16x minus 10. From here, let's get the values for a, b and c. A is 5, b is minus 16 and c is minus 10. Alpha beta are the roots. Sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is minus b upon a, which is minus of minus 16 upon 5. That is 16 upon 5. Alpha beta is c upon a, which is minus 10 upon 5. It is minus 2. The expression to be evaluated is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. We have two fractions with unlike denominators. We have to make it like, so we get alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Now we have the value of alpha beta here, but alpha square plus beta square is not there directly. So let's take this identity alpha plus beta the whole square, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. From this we can get alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is 16 upon 5 whole square minus 2 times alpha beta is minus 2. 256 upon 25 plus 4. On taking the LCM, we get 256 plus 100 upon 25, which is 356 upon 25. In the place of alpha square plus beta square, we can write 356 upon 25 by alpha beta is minus 2, which is equal to 356 upon 25 into minus 2, which is minus 178 upon 25. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.